Welcome back into my kitchen. Today I'm going to be talking about pea soup. In the Netherlands we call it Erwtensoep, and it's a very popular winter fare. Pea soup has been eaten since antiquity, and according to one source, the Greeks and Romans were cultivating this legume about 500 to 400 BC, and during that era, vendors in the streets of Athens were selling hot pea soup. Pea soup, or split pea soup, is a soup made typically from dried peas, such as split pea, and it's with variations, a part of the cuisine of many cultures, and is most often greyish-green or yellow in colour, depending on the national variety of peas used. The shopping is done, so let's see what you need. You need a large pot, 5 to 6 litre capacity, split peas, we use green, medium to small potato, an onion, some leeks, carrots, celeriac, pork meat, and smoked sausage. The bacon and rye bread is for later when you serve the soup. If you follow the steps in the video, I'm sure that your pea soup will taste as delicious as mine did. So if you've never tried it before, have fun and give it a go. It really is a hearty winter soup that will warm the cockles of anyone's heart. Wash, rinse and drain the peas. Put them in a pot with plenty of water, about 3.5 to 4 litres. Bring it to the boil, stirring, then turn the heat down and cook for about an hour. Take off the froth and then add the vegetables one at a time and stirring well after each addition. There is no hard and fast rule about the shape of the vegetables when you cut them. I dice the celeriac and I ring the carrots, and I just halve the leeks and then slice it. So, it's just whatever takes your fancy. But as you can see, with all the vegetables going in, the pot is filling very fast. So once everything is in, add meat as last. Then you put it on a medium to low heat and let it gently all come together, really. That's about all, the best way I can describe it. In goes the meat, there you are, and just let it gently simmer on a very, very low heat. It's a slow cook sort of a soup. When done, put the soup in a cold place, preferably on this cold cellar floor, or maybe like I do, outside on the balcony where it's nice and cold. Slice the smoked sausage into slices and add that as you reheat the soup the next day. Serve the soup also with the dark rye bread and the bacon. I do hope you'll try this one day and let me know what you think, because this must be one of the heartiest, yummiest soups around. Bon appetit!